Planning to buy a new phone? Well, there are a lot of them available in the market. You get the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the Honor 10, the OnePlus 5T or the new Asus Zenfone 5Z, the Pixel 2 or the Galaxy S9. But hey, if you say that these smartphones have nothing great to offer, nothing new, and it's all run-of-the-mill devices, well, July is the month for you. You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 smartphones that are coming to India this month and have new technologies built in. Let's begin. On top of our list is the Oppo Find X. The phone comes with dual cameras at the back, has facial recognition features put at the front. And what's new is that all of these things are placed on a motorized platform on the device, which means that to save space, Oppo has put the front camera and all the sensors on a platform that goes inside the phone, and you'll get a thin bezel display at front. And thanks to this module, you get almost over 90% of usable area on your 6.42-inch display. It's an AMOLED panel with Quad HD resolution, and under the hood, the phone packs a Snapdragon 845 chipset alongside 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM and at least 64 gigabytes of storage. Oppo Find X is launching in India on July 12 and expect a premium price tag of over 70,000 rupees. Now, if you think the Find X is expensive, Vivo has an alternative for you. The Next S from Vivo tries to achieve a very similar screen to body ratio. It does that by putting the front camera on a pop-up. You also get top-notch internals like Snapdragon 845 with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage on the base variant. And you also get a 6-inch Full HD panel. The phone is expected to arrive by end of July or mid of August, and it could be priced around 40,000 rupees. Now, if the Vivo Next is expensive still, Nokia has a budget phone for you that comes with great screen to body ratio. If you were following international launches, Nokia X was announced a few months ago, but it will arrive in India by the end of July, and expect a budget price tag of around under 20,000 rupees. The difference compared to the Next S or the Find X is that the Nokia X6 has a notch display. All the sensors and the front camera is placed on the notch. Also, under the hood hardware is not that great. You get a Snapdragon 636 chipset with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage on the base variant. But things are pretty exciting with the Nokia X6 because this is going to be the first Nokia phone with notch display and a phone with notch display under 20,000 rupees. Other things that look impressive are the dual 16 megapixel cameras at the back, a 16 megapixel selfie shooter, and Android 8.1 Oreo with stock Android interface. Now, if you think the Nokia X6 is not cheap enough, the Xiaomi Mi A2 will try to beat that. The phone comes with a metal unibody design, and though the screen to body ratio is not as good as the Nokia X6, you still get thin bezels on the phone. There's a Snapdragon 660 chip doing the duty inside. You get 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage on the base variant, and there's a 6-inch Full HD display to go with. The phone also has dual cameras at the back with a primary 20 megapixel sensor and a 20 megapixel sensor at the front as well. The best part about the phone is that it runs stock Android interface. Though the launch of Mi A2 is not confirmed in India yet, it is expected to be announced around 20 July, and the price would of course fall under 15,000 rupees like the Mi A1. Now, the last phone on our list is the Blackberry Key 2. Now, you would say there's nothing new about it. It has the same QWERTY keypad, a small display, fingerprint scanner placed under the spacebar key, and a touch-sensitive keyboard. But then again, there are new things that the Blackberry Key 2 will bring to table, along with its classic old design. The Blackberry Key 2 will be the first Blackberry phone to sport dual cameras. Next, there is a speed key that will allow you to open your favorite app no matter which screen you are on. Lastly, my favorite is the feature that puts microphone and camera of the phone on radar, which means that if any app tries to access microphone and camera without your permission, BlackBerry's new security feature will inform you about that. So this was our list of top phones launching in July. Let us know in the comment section below which one of these is your favorite. Also, if you have already picked a smartphone and you're buying that, let us know in the comment section below as well. And if you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology like this. Thank you for watching.